Hey y'all, in today's video I was at the 2025 Detroit Autorama and I came across a very cool 1973 Road Runner I think y'all are gonna like. Let me get the camera turned around and we'll take a quick look at it.
Man, I like this car. They were coolish, you know, they were kind of the end of cool when they came out, but this one was done just right. And you know, I love when people do the unique. They do what everybody else isn't doing. I just really like it. I like the color combination. I wouldn't change the thing. A ton of work. You know, body modifications, the bumpers have been tucked, all that kind of stuff. And Twin-Turbo Gen 3 HEMI, 1,500 horsepower. How cool is that? Custom front grille, headlights, Harley Davidson headlights. Some of them motorcycle headlights here. I really like the interior, full roll cage. Enough badging that you know it's a Mopar, but not overdone. I like the LEDs, I like the stereo equipment. It's a street machine kind of a thing. So, you know, you can be aggressive like that. I just dig the whole car. I'm a fan. And it doesn't look anywhere near as big as it did when they were on the streets back in the day. I don't know what he did to shrink it. It's still, you know, a big car, but man, back in the day, like I said, they were at the end of cool. They still had the styling, still had the flow, but they had just gotten pretty big and bloated. And of course, they didn't perform real well in '73 and all that smog going. I was before they got fuel injected, figured out, and all that. Y'all don't know. All you kids growing up today, you can go to a dealership and buy 1,000 horse. You couldn't get 200 horse in a Corvette back then. Beautiful airbrush work. I wanted to feature that. If you didn't really get a chance to look at it, whoever did the airbrush work on this car, very, very nice job. The shadowing, the depth, it's just cool. Clean. Look how clean it is up underneath the hood. These people, they rocked it, man. I'm telling you. This is one that you only want to walk by. You want to take your time and look at it because it is cool. 4-link coilover. This is a street machine. Look at that. Look at how the bird is shadowed in the back. The Road Runner. That is just awesome. Chin spoiler. Oh man, I wouldn't change a thing but the name on the title. Give me the key fob and let's go. Again, Twin-Turbo HEMI. You should be ashamed of yourself. Bringing such cool. I like it. You get a chance, you see this car, go spend some time, look at it in depth. It's worth it. It's one that, like I said, maybe it's because I remember when they were on the street, but very cool to see it done. I thought y'all would want to see this one. So there you go, from the 2025 Detroit Autorama, a very cool 1973 Plymouth Road Runner Twin-Turbo HEMI. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.